Hello, I'm Nick Aristu, extending a very warm welcome to the Four Seasons Hotel in Limassol, Cyprus. We're going to kick off here in our Cafe Tropical restaurant with our Chef Kenny Keung, who has been head chef at our award-winning Seasons Oriental Restaurant for the last 18 years now. So Kenny, over to you. Tell us what you're going to be preparing for us today.
Today we have to prepare some of the very famous dish in our restaurant. So we have a piece of the halibut fillet. We have a piece of halibut fillet, but of course then we have the seasoning a little bit. And again, most people, if from the foreign people or however, they were thinking is that in Chinese cuisine, then they have used many of MSG. But in our kitchen, we never use it. Our main seasoning is only salt, pepper, and the sugar. And that was it. And also in the Cantonese cuisine, and many people, they was wondering, how come sometimes the menu, they calling the wok bake, but it's incorrect. The wok bake, which is meaning is that we use the wok, like to make the example, this is the wok. Okay, and then after we put the sauce, or either we put the stock and we covering the meat on top of the wok. That's how this slowly and we bake it. This is how we call it to bake it. So that was fillet of the halibut, and then also we have to dip it a little bit of the flour. We put a little bit more oil. But you cannot cook in the high heat. So we put a bit of the chicken stock. And then we covering first. And then we turn on a little bit of the high heat. You see, this is how we move the wok again. So we moved this cover, leave it on the side. We use the two spatula and then turn the other side. So, and we keep flying and we're covering on. Right now I put the pak choy in there. And then we turn it on to heat a little bit. We add the chicken stock. And then we covering of the fry pan or small Chinese wok. So basically it's almost done here, the halibut. And then we turn it on the heat. We're covering first. Just make sure they're not getting very dry. And we put another couple of spoons of the chicken stock. Pak choy. A little bit stock. And we put a little bit seasoning. That's what I'm saying before. Salt, pepper, and the sugar. And then we present on the plate. So we just put it on top of the vegetable. So we make the sauce right now. We need a little bit of bell pepper, chopped bell pepper, spring onion. Let them put in here. Slightly saute a little bit. And then we add a little bit peppercorn seasoning. We have some of the soya sauce. It's ready here. And just a bit of chicken stock again. So the last part, most of the Cantonese cuisine or Chinese cuisine, they use a lot of the cornstarch with the water. This is what I'm doing right now. Just don't put too much, just a bit. And then the last shot is a bit of the oil. Or if you like it, you can put some the sesame oil. Put it on the side of the wall. See the color? Remember, the soy sauce, you cannot go in too long time on the stove. Otherwise, it's very easier will be get sour. So we just slightly put it on top of the fish. And then we garnish up of the fish as well. This is the piece of the pancake. For the pancake, this is supposed to be reserved for the Peking duck as well. When we just use the two bamboo skewer, and we wrap a little bit here, and we put it in hot oil to deep fry. About 120 degrees should be fine. But this one depends if it could be dangerous for the home, so you can just do a simple way, or just to use a little bit of julienne spring onion. Let's put it right here. Something else is more attracting. This is the fixed soy sauce. And we make this soy sauce just only for the dark soy sauce, and then we use the cornstarch, and then we figure it out, and then we can make the garnish of the dish. That I'm doing right now. There we go. Pan fried halibut. You will see the idea. The halibut fish is like a boat. It's on top of it, can imagination there. You know, when you go to swimming, you will see the boats like a sailboat. Correct?
Well done, Kenny, well done. That's excellent. There you have it, everybody. Pan-fried halibut on a bed of pak choy. Beautiful. Very, very quick and relatively easy to make for you at home, but you'll be able to impress your friends at any dinner party without any doubt.